To make those viral squishy, we're going to use this filling, those colors, those scissors, and another else things. Okay, so stop buying squishy. You can make them yourself and show your creative to your world. So we're gonna make those slow rising squishy. Let's start. So we're going to use a tiny piece of this, like something that creates a ball, enough for a tiny ball. We will use this. We'll cut it. Wow, it's so fluffy. Now we'll put it here in the middle. You need to take all of the parts and not leave it like this. You can do your own form, it's not really matter. And then we'll use this sellotape. Make some tiny holes. Okay, now you can draw whatever you want. Show you're creative. Use strong markers. Now let it dry and I will return to you. Now we add more layer. Do another hole. Finish. Wow, it's returning. Cool. Which one do you prefer? Let's call Shir.
Hi! Let's make some squishies with this squid. Let's add some glitters. Let's add some glitter. Stars. Let's add some stars. Let's close. Now let's squish it. Finish. It's soft and squishy and colorful. Let's add a little bit of red. Okay. Now let's squish it. Don't tell anyone, but I prefer this one.